Hello, welcome to Our Toronto, and I'm your host, Tony. The Hurontario Light Rail Transit LRT project, known as the Hazel-McCallion Line, has been experiencing significant delays and challenges, pushing its projected completion date beyond the original target of fall 2024. The line, spanning 18 kilometers with 19 stops from Port Credit in Mississauga to Brampton, is essentially for improving the local transit and connecting key corridors. However, Metrolinx and its contractor Metrolinx have encountered issues that have set back its schedule and raised concerns about its completion. One of the main problems lies with the track installation. Metrolinx, the consortium responsible for construction, discovered that portions of the already installed track did not meet required tolerances, leading to the need for redesign and reprocurement of specialized tracks. This has delayed further the progress and stained Metrolinx's financial standing, as its ability to meet creditor obligations, which is now in question. The delays have also negatively impacted Metrolinx's credit rating, prompting financial analysts to caution that further setbacks could trigger additional credit downgrades. Despite these issues, some progress has been made. Metrolinx has completed track work at 30 out of the planned 55 intersections, and 6 out of the 18 stops are now partially constructed. Additional efforts include constructing tunnels near Port Credit GO Station and completing parts of the elevated segment over Highway 403. However, the consortium faces compounded delays due to labor disruptions, supply chain shortages, and ongoing legal disputes with subcontractors over unpaid fees, further complicating the project's outlook. Recently, the Ontario government reintroduced plans for a downtown loop in Mississauga's core, which was initially cut in 2019 to reduce costs. This addition will connect more parts of the city's growing downtown, projected to double in population in coming years. However, the revised timeline for this addition, as well as the main LRT line, remains unclear, as Metrolinx has avoided setting a new completion date until construction nears the testing and commissioning phase. The delays have led to frustration among city officials and residents, especially as road closures and construction disruptions continue to affect daily commutes and local businesses. Some Mississauga City Council members have voiced concerns over the transparency of project updates, with city officials stating that they did not receive complete information from Metrolinx on the timeline. Local leaders are also pressing for structural changes within Metrolinx to address issues seen across multiple transit projects in Ontario. Overall, the challenges facing the Hurontario LRT reflect broader issues in public-private partnership models for large infrastructure projects. If these problems persist, the line's completion could see further postponements, delaying the potential benefits for Mississauga's transit landscape and raising the overall costs associated with the project. I hope that you liked the video. If so, please give it a like. If you're not subscribed and want to be notified of new videos that are released, please click on the Our Toronto button here. This is the video that I would recommend for you to watch next, and I'm sure that you're going to love it. Here's the playlist for all of the latest in transit news and views that you're going to find very informative and interesting. And finally, here is the latest video. Thanks for watching, and happy transiting.